So, my dear friends, good day from Electrical Uncle Het Wale. Today, I came with same the sanitizer pump control auto hand free. Before I made this video with a tip transistor, tip 32C transistor, that was without Arduino Uno programming. Okay, very simple. Without Arduino Uno you can make it at home. But today I am making this video for the students interested in Arduino Uno programming and coding. So it based on an obstacle sensor. You can say ultrasonic sensor, SC dash, RC4 something, and one transistor. It is 547, DC 547. That's it. One Arduino Uno, and one is small pump DC, same like before. So I will give this presentation in a PPT format. Just watch it and follow it. The circuit is there. I will give a link. This time I will do something else because sometime from Google Drive updating or taking another model, some links are being deleted from there. I don't know how. So I have to put it again. Or otherwise, if you feel like that, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will send you. So now I will make a folder. So to take care not to get it deleted from my drive. The link I give, it should work immediately. Okay. So you will find the link of this PPT file where I am sending it. You will find the circuit also. Arduino Uno pin number, SIN number, everything means you will find there. So let us start and watch it. And it is a small video. Then there is a practical also in the second part. And thanks, and hope you will share it to get it reached to the needy students to get my platform successful. This is a free education platform below poverty line. I try to send the material also, whatever my capacity is there, what my pocket allows. Okay, because nowadays I am not working. I am just doing this, sharing my knowledge, experience with the youngsters, with young students, future engineers, right? So just watch it and send your comments, and feel free to contact me. I am always at your disposal. My WhatsApp number you can find in the description also, as well as in the video also. In the starting and the end I used to provide it. So my dear friends, let us start with the PPT slides. You see, this is the in Hindi Arduino sanitizer. This is thumbnail. I have put it here. Ultrasonic sensor, BC547 transistor which I used, Arduino Uno, one pump, like that. You know, my house is near the road. Always some ambulance, police, motorbikes making disturbance. Anyhow, so this Arduino Uno pins and the ultrasonic sensor pins are to be connected very carefully. You know, VCC and ground, it will go to the 5 volt and ground. Then trigger and the echo, it will go to 4 number and 5 number pin of Arduino Uno. That's it. Pumps connection will go from the transistor. And you need here 12 volt supply. Now you see, these are the components. Ultrasonic sensor, there are 4 pins only, BCC, trigger, echo, ground. I will show you on a breadboard. You can connect it very easily with the help of jumpers to each other, right? The connections you can make. This is the circuit diagram. You will find it in description, this PPT link, and you can print it out and make accordingly. You see, for the ultrasonic sensor, 2 wires going to positive and negative of the 5 volt Arduino Uno, and echo and trigger going there. Pump is going here at number 10, right? C is collector is going to pump, and 1 is going to ground, and 1 pin from the Arduino Uno V in output positive will go to the pump. But for run the pump ultrasonic complete system, you need 12 volt supply. So from the jack, if you will give 12 volt supply, I will show you how. So circuit will start working. Now this is the code. I will show you. Code link also you will find in my description. Download the code and make the connections accordingly. That which pin number is going where, right? Here is the sketch. You see, echo pin 4 number, trigger pin at 5 number, and the motors pin means for the transistor, from the transistor it will come to 10 number. So this care you have to take. And for the pump delay and check this port is there or not. Arduino Uno is there appearing, because I didn't connect the Arduino Uno, therefore port is not there. So distance we have kept it 10 centimeter. You can change it. Here is the delay. You can start the pump little delay, giving little delay by changing the values 400 milliseconds to 1000 or 1000 to 400 like this. So this is very easy. You just copy and paste, or otherwise I will give you link, it will direct open there. In the link I will now from today onwards I will provide a folder, because you know I forget sometimes changing, updating, and some files got deleted, so that you will not find. So you can call me, you can send the message on a WhatsApp, whatever you want, because this is free education platform. Nothing to hide. I will send you. Again, if you don't find anything missing in the description, sometime it happens, we are human beings. So in Google Drive there is a lot of files, so sometimes forget and got deleted. So you can direct contact to me on my WhatsApp. I am always at your disposal. Whatever you want. So after this code, we checked it. Now we will make the project and we can just program upload it. So here we will come to the practical now. The practically, I will show you that how I arrange the things. There is Arduino Uno, right? One breadboard. On that I have put the transistor and ultrasonic sensor, and pump supply. It is going through a switch, so that I can put it on. And supply is given by the 12 volt battery. You may be looking it, watching it. At the right side there is a battery. So I have given 12 volt from there and jack to the Arduino Uno, disconnected from the computer. Before, computer used to give 5 volt during the programming, uploading, coding, but afterwards when removing away you have to give 12 volt. So there is ultrasonic sensor also, transistor also on the breadboard, and connections I have made according to the circuit with the help of jumper wires. So now I can put on the switch, and just I will put my hand in front of ultrasonic sensor and pump will start working. You remove the hand, it will stop. You put the hand, it will start. So this is auto hand free sanitizer. This pump you can put in a bottle. You see, I put my hand, pump starts. In the same way, it will throw the sanitizer. Every time you put hand, so you have to fix it up. Watch my previous video, how I fix it near the nozzle, at the side of nozzle, and you go near to it, it will start. Just put your hand, take sanitizer and wash your hands. So as simple as it is. This is for the students who are interested in Arduino Uno programming and coding. This I made for them. The previous one, it was without Arduino Uno. No need for coding, programming. It was, the transistor was used, TIP 32C, and without Arduino Uno, and the proximity sensor was used there. But here it is ultrasonic sensor. We have programmed it up to 10 centimeter, up to 5 centimeter. You can change in the code. And the pump duration, how much time it run. So at the bottom in the code there is a delay time, 400 milliseconds, 1000 milliseconds, high and low, so that you can play with that. Just try and play. It's very easy. So hope you can go ahead, you can do it. Don't give 12 volt direct to the Arduino Uno from the USB. It will spoil it from the jack side. So, gentlemen, I think it's okay. So, my dear friends, hope you enjoyed and like this video and will follow it. If any confusion, if any clarification, if any query, just contact at my WhatsApp. And thanks for your subscribing the channel and sharing it to your friend circle so that it should reach to the students, needy students, okay? So again, Electric Uncle wish you the best and see you in next video.